Our products have passed strict inspections by demanding Japanese clients. Every year, Hongsinn conducts dozens of technical guidance and training workshops for quality inspectors. Before shipment, all products must be inspected twice, the acceptability of which reaches 99%. We utilize a materials analyzer to determine whether the materials are high quality, and this provides a strong guarantee of certification. The measuring range of VMSG broadens 6 times compared with that of traditional type. It can test dozens of products simultaneously, raising shipping speed greatly. The 2.5D projector adds height detection on the basis of the common projector. It can measure thin wall parts, LCD board, and plastic parts. A 3 coordinates measuring instrument can test the dimension, geometric tolerance, and ISDX of machine parts with complex shapes. The measurement accuracy is 1 micrometer, which is applicable for high precision products.